Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C53 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And whenever you've got it applied, simply tap on this settings icon in this upper bar with the options. Now let's tap on the languages, and this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. Of course, you do not have to scroll. You can simply enter the search icon and enter the name of the language. And basically, after finding it, you will have to tap on it. So let me pick Urdu. Of course, pick the region you want. And here we've got keyboard layouts. It depends on the language. Sometimes you will have only one to choose from, or even up to 5 or 7 different layouts which you can apply. So let's pretend I want this one. So let's mark it and let's remove this one. I don't want this one. So we will have only the Urdu layout applied, and tap on Done if you're ready. As you can see, we've got this language applied to the list. So let's go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we will have two differences. Right now only one is visible. So the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing on the kind of English keyboard, and now after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Urdu one. Right now we can also see the second difference, so the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. After tapping on the globe icon you can see that it will also appear in English. So basically, this is how to add the language to keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to have one which is different than the system language. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this section you have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and mark the language you'd like to remove. As you can see, you can also reorder the languages here, up to you, and then tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so the keyboard should look like just like at the beginning of the video. So we do not have the globe icon, and the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.